Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here in the Ponderosa Pines, Coconino County National Forest. About to talk about what we did to this Silverado right here. We just got this 2021 Silverado. Wanted to make it perfect for the lifestyle out here in northern Arizona. I'll walk you through a couple upgrades we did. First off, I want to talk about the lighting. We did amber backlighting on all the lights in the front end. Makes it really nice when it's foggy, you're in the storm. You definitely can't miss this thing coming down the road. And we also have a couple KC lights right here, a light bar, Diode Dynamics lighting. So when it gets dark up here, you're looking for camp, you can see exactly what you're doing. You can find us in Phoenix, Arizona, company Truck Access Plus. We're on the corner of 26th Street in McDowell. Call us. We have stuff in stock. We can get you an install. You can get some power steps like these right here, Amp Research. These power steps you can get with LED lighting, and they come down the lowest of any other running board. So it makes getting into these taller trucks super easy. Let's talk about the truck bed. Back here, we got the fully loaded build. Ikamper 3.0, the rocky shell finish. This is a hard shell rooftop tent. Folds up, opens up, touch of a fingertip. You grab the ladder. Fold it right down. Camp's almost set up. You got memory foam mattress in here. You can install your rain fly. You come in here, you'll see the map, so you get them travel vibes every time you go to sleep. You got camp set up tonight. We got the camping chairs, fire pit going, ready to chill. Modelo out here. Got some gear under the Retrax cover so it doesn't get all wet and dusty. You come see us for all these truck accessories. We specialize in cargo management, truck bed protection, truck bed security. We can even do a tent on your truck if you want to start living out this bad boy. Come see us on the corner of 26th Street in McDowell. Truck Access Plus, www.truckaccessplus.com.
That's it, bro.